Where are you going? Where are you staying? I've made up my mind that I will never regret. A lesson for me and a lesson to you.
Uy! Bigla pa lang may nag-guess guys na ating compression guys. Napakaganda nitong t-shirt natin guys. Napakasulit guys na bulsa guys. Napakalamig sa katawan guys. At saka hindi, isa pa dito guys, hindi kumukupas guys. Stretchable yan guys ang compression natin guys. Isusuot natin guys para makikita nyo guys ang ebidensya kung maganda talaga sa ating nag-gym ba guys. Ito guys ang mga nag-gym guys. Yan guys. Kitang-kita yung muscle mo dyan guys. Diyan o. Ayan, di ba? Kaya check out yun na yun guys. Ilabas natin guys sa nag-gym. Likod at saka harap yan guys. Yan guys.